So in this video, I'm going to discuss some of the issues that are being experienced with the Georgian Residency by Investment. Now, a quick summary on the option. Georgia has two options. One is a temporary residency and second is a permanent residency. The time to citizenship is quite a bit. It's either 6 years or 10 years based on which residency you get. But in 100K, if you invest this in property, to buy a property in Georgia, then you can qualify for temporary residency and immediately. And the second option is the 300K in property investment. Again, if you invest that amount, then you qualify for a permanent residency directly. Before I get started, a quick disclaimer: this is not immigration, legal, tax, or finance advice. This is my personal opinion, educational content, news content. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jay, and here we discuss investments that lead to residency and Plan B citizenships. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I cover latest breakthroughs, introduction of new programs, and changes to existing programs. I also discuss situations and issues that are happening with multiple various programs. If you turn on the bell notification, you would be the first one to be notified the moment there is any change. All right, let's get straight to this topic. In Georgia, a lot of applicants from Asia, China, particularly, and a lot of Russian applicants are looking at the Georgian market, and also Africa. A lot of Africans have been interested in applying for the Georgian residency option. And one of the biggest issues that has cropped up through multiple sources is that the Georgian authorities are scrutinizing certain nationalities more. So they don't want nationals from certain undesirable countries coming into or applying for residency in their country. So people obviously find the Georgian option pretty straightforward, pretty attractive. The banking is pretty flexible. Their banking has been pretty flexible in the past. Of late, they have obviously gotten much more stricter because of some issues. The current situation is that once you apply for this residency, you do the investment, you go through this whole hassle, and then comes the time that you can apply for your residency based on the investment that you have done. The issue seems to be that a lot of nationalities are being forwarded to their security team. So the security team would review the background and to make sure that there is no threat to the national security of the country. So that is where there has been reports of delays and subsequent rejections under the pretext of national security. So a lot of cases have been reported where they're facing these delays and these issues. A lot of the rules that were pretty flexible with the Georgian option have changed. For example, parents are no longer eligible to be considered as dependents, so your spouse and your children can qualify. But if you had any previous parents on your application, then obviously they cannot be added to the application anymore. That's just one example. So a lot of confusion. New rules are being implemented pretty frequently. So if you stuck to a certain guideline, or if you thought you're going to apply based on a certain set of rules, a lot of these are changing as we speak. So the option is getting more complicated and less desirable to a lot of nationalities. Now, if you are interested in doing the Georgian option, or if you have already started your program, and if you have any questions, you can obviously always reach us. We are happy to discuss the changes and see how this best fits your needs. Now, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and catch you in the next one.